Another mode for selection is ring selection. You can go in here and ring selection. The ring selection is select, for example, if we are in a polygon, in a ring selection, it's like a loop. You can't see any different. But if you go into the edge, you can see the difference. This is ring selection. It selects your component perpendicularly. If, for example, you are in a loop selection, it selects like this. When you hover over any polygon or element, select like this. If you go into the ring selection, it select perpendicularly the rings, the edges, or the points. This is ring selection if you want. But in a polygon mode, it's not different between a ring and loop. And its settings is the same as before. For example, I select here and going to the ring selection. And if you deactivated stop at the selection, as you can see, it selects overlap our previous selection. If you tick that, as you can see, selection stop at our selection. Stop at the non-quad selection. For example, we have an N gun here, as you can see. When you, for example, go in here and select in this direction, as you can see, it stop at the N gun or non-quad. Stop at the pole. It's like before. Here is a pole, and here is a pole in topology. For example, edges come here, and it's two-way for looping. This position, this point is poles, and it select stop at this pole. The important shortcut of this selection, if you are modeling fast, you have to use your shortcut ULB. You have to press first U and then L. You can select, for example, a ring or loop selection. UB, and you can select ring selection. You have to use this shortcut if you want to modeling fast. First pressing U and then press L in a keyboard, and you can move in between shortcuts. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release. Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use trial version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free, powerful, and functional software. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.